Good afternoon. We are over here to see the demo of instrument DenDi. This is a digital hydrometer and it measures density with temperature. It shows real density, real temperature and D15 as well. This has a battery backup of 8 hours and it can also be charged through a charger. The charger is connected to this demo instrument because this is a demo instrument and we have not charged it since last time we have used it. This part of the instrument is called as a resting arm. This part of the instrument is called as a measuring arm. This is the thermometer. This is a plug to draw it down and up. This is a glass beaker. And this is a float of the instrument. The instrument resembles very similar to digital hydrometer, glass hydrometer because of this float. It works on a principle of Archmedic Principle. This is the front panel of the instrument. It has a display and it has 3 operating switches. The middle one is a power switch. Let's on the instrument with the power switch. Here you can see the name of the instrument DenDi. Below is the LEMIS Baltic website. You can exit it by using the plus button. This is a demo version, not for sale. The very first time you start the instrument, it will measure the weight of this float in air. So first move on with the initial stage of the instrument. This is for the very first time you start the instrument, then you can continue with your measurements. So it says remove float. I will measure yes because the float is not on the measuring arm. It is testing 0. It is testing the environmental temperature. Set the float. Now it will measure the weight of the float. Now it will measure the weight of the float in here, in air. So I am pressing yes. I have set the float. The measurement is being done. Here you can verify this. DenDi version 1.0 test OK. The instrument is ready to work. Now we'll move on with the measurements. I will remove the float. I will keep it aside. Once again, this is a resting arm. This is the measuring arm. When the instrument is measuring the density, the float should be upon this arm. When it is not, it should be rested in this arm. Okay. This is a power wax, one of the fluid or castrol you can say, a lubricant used for motor vehicles. I am pouring it. It's very viscous. I will make the next. It says measure. Yes, I want to make the measurement. So I will press yes. Set the beaker and thermo. That means I have to set this beaker and I have to insert the thermometer in it. I will place it, the float as a support. As I have placed the thermometer and the beaker, I will press yes. It says remove float. Yes. Adjust 0, please wait. Set the float. I will remove the float from the resting arm. Place it over the measuring arm. Yes, I have set the float. So yes. Now the measurement is being done. Demo version, not for sale. Exit. This is the density of the viscous fluid that we have measured. It's 0.9673 gram per centimeter cube. The unit can be converted to kg per meter cube with the setting inside. The temperature is 27.3. I have to see the D15, that is density at 15 degrees Celsius. I will press yes. This is the density at 15 degrees Celsius. It's 0.8759 gram per centimeter cube. This is a specific gravity. You can go on adding the parameters that you want, such as Brix, API gravity at 60 degree Fahrenheit, and etc. as per your requirement. Save the measurement. I don't want to save the measurement, so I will press no. Next measurement. I don't want to do the next measurement, so I will press no. This is test. This is calibration. When the instrument is out of calibration and you feel the accuracy is not good, then you can calibrate it using distilled water. This is the peculiar speciality of this instrument, that you can self-calibrate it on the user end itself. You have not to send it to the office or the calibration laboratory for its calibration. It is a self-calibration mode. No. Settings. Let's see what are the features in settings. This is a demo version. No, I don't want to off it. This is light. Units. Yes. Density units. Yes. This is gram per centimeter cube. This is kg per meter cube. I set it to gram per centimeter cube. This is temperature units. Yes. This is degree Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit. I set it to degree Celsius. Sample. What are the sample that we are going to measure? It can be petroleum. It can be alcohol solution. It can be liquid. I will set it to petroleum for our best use. Yes. Format. What format you want? You can get D15. You can get D20. You can get specific gravity. You can get specific gravity at 60 degree Fahrenheit. API at 160 degree Fahrenheit. These are the save format. Yes. Language. No. Measure. Next. These are some of the features of this instrument. I am switching off the instrument. Thank you.